As you can see, it is fairly windproof. On a windy day, it's perfect to try what I built. Here, it's inside of this pouch. Now I built this because I saw the Trangia Micro. It had a pot stand that was small that fit inside of the pot, but I saw that the design of it is not very wind friendly. So if it's a windy day like today, the flame will go out. But I was inspired by so many tin can DIYs. I actually have a lot of iterations on my DIY because I wanted the smallest possible kit. So I started with this. Just put it on there and voila. But it's not wind resistant. Next iteration, again, I was inspired by the Trangia Micro and I built this. I actually think this was such a waste of time because after I built it, I quickly realized that it's bad. It has the same problem as this. Granted, it is more stable. It is way more stable. It can handle more water. And it can handle smaller cups. But yeah, it still has the same problem. Wind gone. So I just went to the trusty old minimal design and it's so ugly. Look at it. I found a can that was at the perfect height. So I drilled 10 holes on the bottom and the top. I don't know if I'm going to redesign this again so that this can be independent, because right now this cannot stand on something that's wood, for example. This will burn it. But I do bring my Nature Hike portable table, so that's fine. And we'll just place it on top here. Air goes in, voila, and it should be wind resistant. We are cutting to another day. I have since redesigned the original design. As you saw from the previous clip, the tin was poorly cut, and I have now made a better version. So I opted for more holes this time because I had a nail that was perfect. So I pushed the nail in with a hammer, smack, and then a screwdriver to make it bigger, and I made these holes, and here as well. And we are... Oh, I also... It's black because I preheated this at home and burnt off the whatever this is. So it's not gonna smoke anymore, at least. It is pre-burnt. Also, it's clean. There's no more residue from the inside. But yeah, so we are testing this now. Today is also very windy, so it's a perfect test to see if it works or not. I think that's enough. Let's do what I usually do and heat up the sides a couple of turns, because this will help the fuel bloom faster. And there we go. On with that, it's blooming. As you can see, it is fairly windproof. I usually drink this amount of coffee. And let's see how fast it boils. Here's some stopwatch. And start. Oh, let's test the windproofness. I'm gonna blow it. Yeah. I think that's a success. Great. Starting to smoke now. I'm seeing some bubbles now. And some steam is coming up. Okay, 6 minutes has elapsed. I think it's going to start boiling at 7 minutes. That's the usual time a Trangia stove usually boils at. And I'm not really surprised. But the main test really today was the windproofness of the can, and just to demonstrate the possibilities of just DIY. I actually think that at 7 minutes it's okay for me, because I usually don't like my water boiling hot when I use the powered coffee. But let's keep it going until it boils, just for scientific purposes. Okay, so I was wrong earlier. It wasn't at the 7 minute mark this time. It's soon going to boil. I can hear it fizzling. We passed 10 minutes now and it's still not on the rolling boil. I would say that's boiling now. It took 12 minutes and 30 seconds. So I was wrong by a lot. But at 7 minutes is enough for me, at least, for my coffee. I'm gonna need to wait for this to chill down a little before I can drink it. And I can also demonstrate this. Haha. Perfect. Now let's make some coffee. Let's push this aside for now. And try to remember not to hold it. But yeah, I think that's a success. I am very happy, guys. It is a very compact system, because this whole ensemble fits in here, and that's it. That's the whole cooking system for just boiling water. Perfect. Happy. I look forward to future hikes. So I'm gonna end that video here. I will enjoy some desserts. Some Fatser Domino salty caramel. Yummy, 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 yummy. Cheers, guys. Bye.